we will parachute on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Heading the blue, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your...
And here we are today at the 2023 Solvang Custom Knife Show. And we have a maker here to introduce you. Now, introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, how you doing, guys? My name is Eyal Landesman. Originally, I'm from Israel, a knife maker from Israel that lived in the UK at the moment. And this is my knives.
So tell us about, what is this carbon fiber?
That's actual carbon fiber. This model name is the Triton. It's all handmade, no CNC machines involved. Really high-end custom line and lock. My pride and joy, as you can see. The whole idea of my design is actually to try and combine two designs, two styles, into one knife. It's tactical, it's still one hand.
So what are you running on that? Is it a bushing or a bearing?
Everything is ceramic bearings, ceramic detent.
Because that came out smooth.
Yeah, and it fires like a rocket.
Yeah, that came out lickety split. That's what it did.
Yeah. Trying in my design actually to incorporate two worlds.
Very much so.
The art knife and the tactical.
But that carbon fiber is eye-catching.
Yeah, it's one of the only carbon fibers that will accept mirror polish.
It really does. It kind of reminds me like a sand dune.
Yeah.
But if it was dark.
Yeah. It is.
I know everyone's amazed about my descriptive qualities, but yeah, that opens really fast.
Yeah. There's another model of mine named the Pixie. It's actually tiny. But basically I'm doing exactly the same thing, incorporating two styles into something that is, at least for my taste.
Yeah. Well, the thing is other people won't know it's their taste until they see it.
Yeah.
And finally, over here.
It's exactly the same.
Look
one.
at this. But yeah, look, check out
different
that. Oh man, that blue.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Still with one of the, I guess, some of the last pieces of carbo quartz that's still out there.
Wow. That's fantastic.
It's an immense also.
Yeah, that falls great. Well, thank you so much. It's great to meet a maker. And what I'm going to post up is he has an Instagram page. I'm going to put the links in the descriptions. And have a nice day.
We will parachute on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne.